Alright, howdy. Today I want to show you a quick and easy way to get the spreadsheet responses from a Google form to ping you on Discord and give you a little notification that someone has submitted a response. It's pretty simple. First we go to Discord. Some of this will be blurred out because I'm doing this on a Discord that is actually in use. And then you scroll down to integrations here. You go to webhooks, and then you'd create a new webhook. You edit it, give it a name, tell what channel it needs to go into, and then copy that URL. I'm going to delete it because I already have mine here. And then we go to our Google Sheet. You go to extensions, you go to AppScript, and then you have your code.js. Now I'm going to put this code in the description. Let me explain what it does. We're creating a new function. We're telling it what the URL is to our API, and you just paste in that URL you copied from the webhook. And then we create our message, the content. This is where you edit what your message should say. And then we have the options here. This is just telling it to post it. And this is fetching some backend stuff. Now to get it to post every time we have a new application, we go over to the left here, go to triggers, and you create a, oops, we accidentally have two triggers. You create a new trigger, just like this. You'd select the function, choose head, choose from spreadsheet, and choose on form submit. And once that's complete, it'll look like this, and you just save that. And that should be all you need. Once you get an application in, or a submission to your form, it should post the content that you outlined. Now to ping a specific role, the format you do it is here. So you have the two brackets there, and then a ping, and then whatever the fuck sign that is. And in your Discord server, you go and you grab, so in the Discord, you go to the roles, right? And you find the role that you want to ping, and you go to the three dots, and you just copy the ID. And then you paste that in where these numbers are. And to test it, you just hit run, and it should do it. Oh, make sure you hit the save before you go do the triggers. That should be it. Hope that was helpful.